Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, since memandangkan ramai yang request, bukanlah ramai, adalah mungkin a few juga yang request untuk saya buat video uh, untuk stok akan datang. So saya telah memilih satu stok yang mungkin quite interesting, okay, to those investors out there. But I'm going to inform you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, okay, and if I want to become a financial advisor, I need to have certain certificates. But yeah, without that, inshallah, okay, I think I can help you guys, okay, on how to find an interesting stocks. Okay, so today I don't want to talk so much, okay, so we can directly, okay, go into stok yang dah menjadi pilihan untuk minggu hadapan. So stok yang saya akan pilih kali ini adalah stok TSH, okay, di mana anda boleh lihat di atas ni TSH, okay. So stock ni actually dia more to melibatkan plantation and forest management, okay, and company ni actually dia dah operate in Malaysia, Spain, Luxembourg, okay, France, United States, Indonesia and Singapore. Okay, so if you want to talk about the fundamental, okay, I'm going to summarize it. Okay, I want to make it simple. Okay, to say that this company have a strong growth, not so significant, but yet still has the potential. Okay, ada potential. Okay, we don't know. Okay, tapi kita boleh lihat di mana TSH ni dia actually dah buat profit, okay, quarter on quarter quite strong, okay, which is around I forgot, but I think the quarter on quarter quite high actually, okay, around 40% I think, okay, and then for the year on year already above 100%, above 100% I think, okay, so which is very strong right now for this company, okay. And in terms of the growth, I can say that the company has around 7.87%, below than the the target industries, or we can say the average industry. So that one, I think, yeah, maybe still low, but might soon or later they may have a potential to have an improvements. Okay, so to determine ROE, basically kita akan gunakan profit lah, okay, profit before interest and tax divided by capital employed. So dia ada cara pengiraan dia, and tu tak perlu nak tahu, so kita tak nak cerita pasal detail sangat, dan kita hanya fokus kepada apa yang mungkin berlaku pada akan datang ni. Okay, just I want to inform you guys, this company's punya PE actually is around 14.35 right now, which is below than 15. Okay, when it is more than 15, basically it is a growth, okay, but less than 15 actually it is okay lah, so okay, we can either choose below 15 or more than 15, okay, but usually people will pursue for something that have a low PE, okay, that has a potential to grow, okay, which means that in terms of the market share they have a potential to grow, okay, but in order for me to choose this kind of company, I need to look on the fair value, okay, and also the current market value of the company. So in this case, the current market value of the company, okay, I can say this is 1.22 right now, okay, if you can see this is 1.22, okay, and the fair value of this company, okay, actually to calculate the fair value is quite difficult, because we need to find what will be the growth of the company, okay, we need to find the growth of the company, okay, and for that we can determine the asset based model by using the asset based model ataupun market based model ataupun cash based model. Okay, basically company akan gunakan cash based model ataupun kita panggil sebagai free cash flow of the company in order to determine the market capitalizations, okay. So very interesting actually to determine the fair value of the company. But okay, I will make it summarize. I will summarize for the fair value for TSH, and generally people, certain broker, they will provide the fair value, okay, they will provide the fair value for this one, okay. Actually this has been considered, the fair value of this company has been considered at 1.25, which means that it is above, above from the current market share price. So which means that this company having undervalue performance, okay, undervalued company lah, okay, undervalued company, so which is very good, okay, which is very good. So now I will make it I will summarize, okay, in order for us to purchase, okay, ataupun to buy certain stock, we need to remember we must purchase, not to say at least below than 15, or not like that. We can also pursue for highest PE, we can also, but not to be so significant lah. Tapi kita kena pilih PE yang very not so heavy, okay, because when it is too heavy, it means that the current market share price is too high compared to the earnings per share of the company, okay. So apa yang berlaku sekarang ni, kita kena pursue for something yang below than not to say below, but almost equal to the earnings per share of the company. That one is very good lah, okay, but not to say one lah, okay, because very simple to say, when the company has a high of PE, it means that the company has a potential of growth. But when it is low of PE, which means that the company is not having less growth, but they have a potential, but not yet to have the potential, okay. Dia akan naik, take time, okay, so don't worry about that, okay. So that is a PE. Then I'm going to tell you how to find a good company is by looking on the ROE, return on the equity of the company. So how much the earnings itself, which is before the interest and tax, over the capital employed, so which means that when the ROE is high, okay, which means that earnings is high, I can say it is good, okay, it is good, okay, it is good. I cannot tell you in detail, okay, I cannot tell you in detail because it takes a lot of time to teach you guys about that thing. So just very for those accountants, yeah, I can tell you, you have the understanding. So that one is the ROE, okay. And then kita bukan setakat PE, okay, dan bukan setakat ROE, dan kita akan fokus kepada fair value of the company, okay, and the current market share price. So when the current market share price, okay, is below than the fair value, which means that the company having an undervalued, okay, so which means that when that company having low PE, we can say high PE pun boleh juga, and then high ROE, but having low of in terms of current market share price, having a low of current market share price bermaksud company is very great to buy, okay. So itu adalah situation dia, okay. So I'm going to this is very simple lah untuk menunjukkan kepada anda dia punya situasi sekarang ni, okay. Sekejap ya, kita kejap okay, now now we are going to move further right now. So I'm going to use this indicator, okay, I'm going to use this indicator. Okay, let's take this. I have done this one, so tak nak buang masa, so we just go through this one. Okay, now okay, over here actually I have made this just before close, okay, the market close, okay, before the market close. So right now, okay, this is very simple, okay. This one actually, this colored, okay, this is what we call as a Fibonacci retracement, okay. Well, I don't want to tell you guys about this one yet, okay. I just want to tell you what kind of indicators I'm going to use. This is the Fibonacci, okay, and then the Fibonacci indicators that I have used. And then this is volume. Basically, people or those investors, they will prefer to look on the volume in order to determine what kind of pressure right now, okay, whether company having buying pressure or selling pressure. So jadi so this kind lah, okay, this kind of situation, okay. Now and then RSI, we can see that RSI is I'm going to use the RSI, okay, and then use the MACD, okay, and Stoch. Basically, people those investors out there who have the understanding of the technical analysis, they will use the RSI and Stoch, okay, to determine what kind of situations, okay, having right now in the company. So kat sini kita boleh tengok okay, well, very very good, not so good, dia tengok pada keadaan. Okay, so now apa yang berlaku sekarang ni untuk TSH ni, okay, actually quite interesting. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys I'm going to make it simple. Okay, I don't want to waste time, okay, explaining things that people may not understand, so I'm going to make it very simple. Okay, so I bought okay these stocks. Okay, I bought this stock sharp, okay, at 445. Okay, at 445. So you can see over here, this line, this blue line is MA 200, which is the moving average 200, and this line is the moving average 50. Okay, 50 moving average. So if you can see over here right now what is happening, okay, MA 50, this line must be above this line. When the yellow line going down, okay, the trend is going to be like this, which means that this is a death cross. Okay, it is a death cross, so which means that you can see, oh yeah, we are having a death cross right now. Okay, so right now yellow is below. You see, kuning ni, this yellow has going above the blue line. This is what we call a golden cross. Okay, so which means that when it is a golden cross, okay, when it is a golden cross, potential to bullish in every, saya cakap, in the next few days. Okay, selepas market buka, in the next few days dia akan bullish. Okay, so macam mana nak provekan? Okay, I'm going to tell you what is happening. This is a bullish, this is a above. Okay, so let's see over here. This is the yellow line is below than blue line, and then it meets over here golden cross. You see, it goes upwards, and then suddenly, okay, at a certain level it drops. How to determine why it is drop here? Okay, so kita kenapa dia drop tiba-tiba kat situ? Kenapa? Oh, persoalan bermain-main di minda. Kenapa? Okay, ini kena tengok balik kepada persoalan yang sebelum tu. Okay, I don't care. Okay, I don't care about that. What I'm going to care is, this is a potential to bullish. Okay, you are going to make a profit. Okay, I don't care. Oh, I'm going to lose this one. Okay, I don't care. What I'm going to focus is the profit. Okay, so don't care about lose. You care about what kind of profit that you can get. Okay, so over here, okay, so bullish up to 39.82%. Okay, kalau kita ambil daripada bawah ni, basically dia akan jadi around 68%. Okay, so after that they have a drop to very something yang memang very significant. Okay, so kalau katakan kita nak check berapa dia punya significant of drop tersebut, agak tinggi jugalah. So we can take this one and then go to until this one, which means at around 64%. So we lose a lot lah. Okay, so we lose a lot. So actually try to make an effort, okay, not to lose your money, okay. And then after that, okay, you can see over here, okay, this is a death cross, okay, because the yellow line meet the blue line again, so this is a death cross. Okay, so you see it drops more and more. Okay, basically people, when they see something near to this one, okay, when they found that the yellow line almost drop, okay, steep lah, kita kata lebih steep, bermaksudnya chances dia akan meet the blue line. Okay, jadi kat sini kemungkinan barangkali kebanyakan semua akan menjual lah. Okay, ataupun lagi satu kita panggil sebagai what we call that head and shoulder. So I'm going to use the head and shoulder, okay, untuk determine the situation. So I'm going to take this one. Okay, this is left shoulder, okay, downwards, and then I'm going to take the head one, okay, and then I'm going to use the right shoulder, okay. Then we are going to find out this is things happen. Okay, these things is happening. Okay, so inilah dia situasi di mana berlaku kepada bila jumpa je head and shoulder. Basically apabila ada left shoulder ni jumpa head, chances they might, and then they drop macam ni, chances dia akan jadi this one. Okay, this situation. Okay, so yeah, inilah punca-punca dia. Okay, jadi kenapa bila ini kita panggil sebagai kita panggil inwards, saya lupa lah. Okay, inwards head and shoulder. So when ada je inwards head and shoulder ni, bermaksud kita boleh faham dia akan drop. Okay, dia akan drop. Okay, basically itulah dia. So and then ada mid again, di mana sini kita panggil sebagai golden cross. Okay, nampak je selalunya kita akan tengok ni, kalau selalunya orang nampak je dekat hampir ni, dia akan beli. Okay, dia akan beli. So basically around here lah. Okay, around this one. Okay, around this one lah, kat sini. Okay, so basically dan once siapa dah beli kat sini, jangan risau, just beli je, maintain je profit kat situ. So chances kalau kita dapat beli dekat situ, I'm going to use this price range over here. Okay, you see you get a profit of 22.1%. Tak nak jauh-jauh lah. Okay, kita ambil yang profit yang paling dekat. Okay, so this one. Okay, around 16%. Tapi terlalu lama juga. Okay, jadi instead of kita ambil terlalu lama, why not take this one only 10%. Okay, and then you got then you sell at this top, don't forget to sell, and then you buy back at this below. Okay, and then but how to determine whether it is a drop again or whatever over there? Okay, remember, I can't teach all of thing. Okay, kat sini banyak cara sebenarnya untuk determine. So kalau I'm going to use this one, okay, I'm taking this one okay, so kalau kata I'm going to use this one, sorry lah ada arrow ni, tapi tak apa, just kita nak buat very simple basic thing kat sini. Okay, so chances dia kalau nak naik pun dia akan naik sampai sini juga. Okay, tak ada apa-apa beza pun. Tapi kenapa dia tak naik? Okay, kita boleh assume dia sampai sini betul, sini betul. Okay, so maksud benda tu berada di sini. Okay, level tu berada di sini. So it depends on the situations. Okay, it depends on the situation. Macam mana, bergantung pada keadaan. Tapi kita kena tengok pada situasi bila mana je kita tahu dia dah almost, this is what we call as a downtrend triangle. So basically dia akan naik, lepas tu dia akan retrace balik, dia akan turun balik. Macam mana pun. Okay, dia akan naik, lepas tu dia turun balik. Dia naik, sama juga ini, downtrend. Okay, this pun downtrend, dia akan naik, lepas tu dia turun balik. Dia macam tu. Okay, so tengok sampai mana anda, kita tak tahulah, pilih lah apa yang kita rasa macam okay, ni. Okay, so kat sini pula benda yang sama berlaku. Okay, death cross. Okay, cuma mungkin ramai tertanya, death cross tapi kenapa masih okay je ni? Which means that company is currently having a growth lah, walaupun dia macam ni. Okay, walaupun company ni macam ni, tapi ada potensi. That's why I'm going to look on the fundamental. Okay, so saya tak tengok lagi fundamental kat sini. Okay, berapa dia punya performance tahun-tahun yang sebelum tu, tahun 2020 and then tahun 2019 ni kita tak tahu. So basically mungkin ada masalah dari segi fundamental lah. Okay, jadi ramai yang mungkin lose confidence whatever, so better they are going to pursue for something other stock. Okay, so kat sini kita boleh nampak, okay, company having a good quarter reports, yearly reports. So basically people will pursue for dividends lah. Okay, I don't know about this dividend, I don't care about dividends. Yeah, basically people yang invest besar, yes, they are going to get the dividends lah. Okay, they may prefer for the dividends. Okay, and we call as investor, they are going for the dividends and the potential of market share price lah. Okay, but to me depends on the situations. I'm going to focus depending on the situations. Okay, so yeah, nampak kat sini, this is a death cross. Okay, so how I'm determine this yellow line. Okay, see, it means the same my Fibonacci retracement. Okay, which is at 1.362. Okay, currently is 1.08. Okay, so I'm going to tell you currently is 1.22, so which means that I have a potential of to make a gain of 11% lah. Okay, jadi macam mana nak determine? So I'm going to take this one lah. Okay, so this one tu punya cara. Okay, Okay, so kita akan pilih ini. Okay, dan satu lagi, ini kita panggil line yang saya buat tanda line ni, daripada sini tarik ke sini, and then daripada sini tarik ke sini. Ini yang kita panggil sebagai symmetrical line. Okay, basically when we talk about symmetrical line, it is a bullish. Okay, ataupun upward trend. Upward trend tu macam ni. Okay, so bila sebut upward trend, dia akan jadi macam ni. Okay, so this is upward trend. So siapa yang mungkin nak belajar, so dia boleh ambil ni, dia akan naik sini, lepas tu dia turun sini balik. Okay, and then dia turun sini balik, dia akan selalunya dia akan bullish lah terus. Okay, so bergantung pada keadaan. Sorry lah actually this line actually terbalik. Okay, tapi tak apa, arrow ni sepatutnya kat belah atas. Okay, tak apa, faham lah siapa yang mungkin nak faham lah Okay, so kalau sebut pasal macam ni, kalau line tu pula macam ni, okay, so I'm sorry lah okay, this one actually kita panggil sebagai downtrend. Change lah, kita change benda ni. Okay, so sekarang marah pula orang kan. Okay, so kita tarik kat sini, dan kita akan buka sini. Selalunya basically dia daripada bawah, dia daripada atas, dia daripada atas. Okay, basically dia akan daripada atas. Okay, dia naik sini balik, lepas tu dia turun balik, dia naik balik, dia turun. So basically dia akan tunggu bawah lah. Okay, dan lagi satu level kita panggil sebagai ada chances juga, same juga macam yang tadi tu. Okay, so this one ada chances dia datang tiba-tiba macam ni, lepas tu dia turun balik, tapi kadang-kadang dia macam ni tau. Okay, so careful kat sini kadang-kadang dia stop kat sini. Bila dia stop kat sini je, I'm going to tell you, kat sini tempat cut loss tau. Jadi kalau katakan, okay, basically kalau nampak je kat sini kita kena cut loss, that means orang kena start cut loss. Okay, jadi kat sini pun start cut loss. Tapi besok hari tu ataupun lusa ke apa ke, nampak je dia nak naik, I'm going to tell you, just buy this one. Okay, confirm dia akan bullish naik ke atas ni. Okay, tapi bila dah jadi macam ni, kena careful. Okay, ada certain orang dia beli, lepas tu dia biarkan. So I'm going to tell you certain thing, dekat sini dia akan retrace balik dekat same level dekat sini selalunya. Okay, selalunya dia akan retrace balik kat sini. Okay, selalunya dia akan retrace balik dekat sini. So dia akan macam ni. Okay, dan kita kena careful kat sini lah. Kadang-kadang dia main-main kat sini balik. Ni kita panggil selalu dia akan console dululah. So that's why bila dia console, kena careful. Okay, kena careful. Certain situations lah, kadang-kadang munasib lah, kadang-kadang bergantung pada keadaan. So that's why kita ada indicators di mana kita gunakan RSI ke apa ke. Okay, now people will ask, okay, kenapa betul ke Efi dia naik ni? Okay, chances dia naik, memang dia akan naik. Okay, I'm going to tell you dia akan naik, cuma dia memerlukan masa sedikit. Okay, dia memerlukan masa sedikit sebab RSI dia dah kuat tinggi kat sini. Okay, sorry, RSI dia dah tinggi, tapi I don't care sebab apa yang berlaku pada Opcom sekarang ni terlalu tinggi. RSI dia above 100. So until right now still bullish. Daripada start 0.25 waktu aku beli paling highest 0.595, and then aku beli average kan dia semua tu, and then aku jual at 1 tak silap aku 1.1 tak silap. Okay, lepas tu aku beli balik 1.3 sebab tak expect pun nak naik, sebab ingat konsol lama, tapi rupanya tak lama. Jadi aku beli 1.3 dan jual balik at 1.6. So yeah, something yang siapa sangka 1.35 to 1.6 kan. So quite tinggi lah. So today inilah akan berlaku. So my target actually bila dia dah reach kat sini, selalunya dia akan naik sampai sini. Tapi kalau katakan dia close sampai sini, dia close above this one, I'm going to tell you it is going to be here. Okay, to be around here. Okay, kita naikkan sikit lagi. So something over here. Okay, something over here lah. Okay, so bergantung pada keadaan. Kalau nasib, dia akan naik sampai ke sini. So chances boleh jadi 81.19%. Okay, bergantung pada keadaan. So tapi bergantung juga, kita akan tengok pada dari segi dia punya RSI dan juga stoch ni. Okay, di mana kadang ada certain situation dia kena console balik, sebab selalunya dia akan sampai kat sini je. Selalunya bila sampai sini je dia akan dia console balik, dia turun tak lama ke, tengoklah pada keadaan. Kita tengok pada keadaan. Lepas tu mungkin dah sampai masa dia turun sini balik, dia naik terus. Okay, so bergantung pada keadaan. Okay, kena tengok pula dari segi new chart. Okay, I cannot tell you how much, but bergantung pada keadaan. Okay, so Itu adalah basic, okay, basic understanding. So I think that's all. Okay, kalau nak terangkan, I need to say about this one, actually kena tengok pada fundamental semula. Okay, dan basically bila ada drop macam ni, nampak tak ada significant dekat sini, selalunya ada bonus issue tau. Okay, nampak tak ada kurang kat sini, ini adalah kita panggil sebagai bonus issue. Okay, so bila ada bonus issue dia careful so bila tahu je dia akan issue date dan bonus, so better lah kita kena careful. So kat sini pun tengok kat sini pun dah menunjukkan sebenarnya ini agak bahaya kat sini. So bukan, sorry, my mistake. This one I'm taking this one, drop sini balik, naik balik sini, drop sini, naik balik sini, and then turun. Okay, see, this is head and shoulder, confirm dia akan drop. Okay, kalau ada bahagian bawah, that means chances dia kita panggil sebagai apa, kalau head and shoulder tu terbalik, that means inverted, chances itu adalah bullish. Okay, so bergantung pada keadaan. So that is a simplifications of my understanding on the technical analysis. So to those yang mungkin interested to buy TSH, you are welcome. Okay, you are welcome. So but I'm not a financial advisor, kan nanti kena saman dengan SEC ke apa ke, whatever lah. Tahulah orang sekarang ni bila sikit buat kena report, bila buat sikit dia kena report. Okay, tak boleh nak membantu sama sendiri. Okay, jadi apa yang boleh dilakukan sekarang ni, inilah dia pattern yang kita boleh bagi, saya boleh tolong. Okay, nak cakap banyak nanti terlalu panjang, so I think it is enough. Jadi stok yang akan datang ni I can make confirmation, but be careful. Okay, it is on your own risk. Okay, it is on your own risk. Okay, this is my situation. So kalau katakanlah drop, so make sure cut loss dia adalah around this one, around this one, 1.19 lah. Okay, 1.19. So sekarang ni 1.22, so cut loss is 1.19. So mana mungkin yang berani nak buat cut loss kat 1, silakan lah kalau mana yang berani. So but to me, I'm going to make a cut loss at 1.19. So I'm going to buy this one at below lah, kat bawah ni. So tengok pada keadaan dan situasi. Tapi guarantee this is a bullish, but I don't want to say it's a bullish because setengah orang ni dia terlalu ikut je cakap. Jadi tak boleh lah macam tu. Okay, so I think it's enough today. Jadi siapa yang minat bolehlah masuk. So hanya ni je lah. Okay, jadi mana-mana yang stok-stok yang lain tu, siapa-siapa yang minat masuk je lah. Okay, but I'm not going to teach you all everything because this is a free. Bukan ingat orang lain bayar, di condemn. Okay, I think that's all for today. So cukup lah tu. Okay, itu saja. I think InsyaAllah kalau apa yang okey lah. Penting fokus pada profit, jangan fokus pada loss. Okay, itu saja. I think enough lah. Okay, itu saja. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.